How to transfer crypto from crypto.com to Robinhood. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to transfer from crypto.com to Robinhood. So in order to transfer, first of all you need to copy the wallet address. For that, go ahead and log in into your Robinhood account. So once you're logged in, go to your profile, and right on this page you need to locate the particular asset that you wish to receive. So click on the magnifying glass icon and type in what you actually want to receive. Once you locate the following asset, next page you need to scroll down and go to receive. As soon as you click the receive button, it's going to take you to the other interface where you need to go ahead and copy the wallet address. And once you're done copying the wallet address, you need to exit out of your Robinhood and then log in into your crypto.com account. Once you're logged in, tap the send button and it's going to ask you to select the asset that you're sending. Next, you'll be asked to provide in the detailed information such as the wallet address of the receiver and the exact amount of crypto that you're transferring. Once done confirming the send, click the send button located right at the bottom, and within 2 to 3 business days you'll receive a notification stating that you've successfully transferred cryptos from crypto.com. So in that way you can transfer crypto from crypto.com to Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.